Over the years, we've had other smaller projects and just loved working with Old Port Specialty Tile. I had the privilege of meeting the family, including the man who started it all in 1974, Papa, or as many called him, Mr. C. His business grew and grew and is now run by his talented and dedicated grandchildren. So now I'm excited to introduce you to Katie Capozza and her installation partners, the owners of RF Tile.
Hi everyone, I'm Katie Capozza, the showroom manager at Old Port Specialty Tile on India Street in Portland. We travel all up and down the coast of southern Maine, but it all starts in the showroom and making your tile selections. At first, when you start looking at products, try not to be too overwhelmed because there's more than one perfect choice. I think just try to enjoy it and appreciate that it is art, and hopefully be inspired and get excited about the area in your home that you want to tile. Erin and I have been talking about this project for 2 or 3 years now, and when she first called me, I said, this is a big project where you need to really assemble a team. You need to work with a contractor. If you want to work with a designer, get them involved so that we can all work together to come up with a plan before the demo starts.
Hi, I'm Josh Romano.
Hi, Mark Furrow.
And I'm the R.
I'm the F.
And we own RF Tile located here in Portland. So, me and Mark met in 6th grade.
Yeah.
So we've been buddies ever since, and we started our own company in 2010. All local boys from Brunswick. We went to school with half of them. Very tight-knit group of people, and now there's 15 of us. We've been working with Katie since we were 17, so 19 years now. She's been right with us the whole time. So on the design scale, project management, and just hand in hand with the store.
All right, today's the day we're gonna go on a site visit at Erin's house, and I'll introduce you to her contractor. This is when we kind of start to collaborate on what he's doing to prepare for us when we get there. She's gonna do heated floors. We really need to look at where the drain location's gonna be. There's a really funky tub. We're not sure what's under that.
Yeah, we just need to get everything out and see what the guts look like.
All right, my friends, what do you think?
It was pink and it was awful.
The good news is you have a really good space to work with. So once it is completely cleared out, like this really high ceilings, being able to see this wall right when you walk in is a great place to do a beautiful color or accent or pattern. But I think we can make it feel like you're gonna be in a spa in your own house.
Woo! You're talking my language. How many projects have you done where you've installed a bidet?
I don't think I've ever installed a bidet. I've taken a few bidets out, but they haven't gone back. When I first came to the space, my advice was to strip it down and start over. The first week or two of work, this is what we're gonna be doing. Knocking everything down, getting everything down to bare wood, redoing the structure. We're gonna have a beautiful place when we're all done.
Bring it in. Pink on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bang!
You ready for demo?
Did I put these on prematurely?
That's
I just
okay.
think they're so cool.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, thank you.
So, are you gonna demo this beautiful bidet?
No,
or?
I have to save it intact to put on my neighbor's lawn. No, that's the joke of the neighborhood.
Well, go ahead and
yeah, right
get
here?
this wall, show, that's where we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna get out of your way.
Watch out. Here we go. I've been waiting a long time for this, you guys. All right, let's see. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Yeah!